In this video, I'm going to attempt to fix my framing nail gun, which has stopped working. When I was building the solar pallets ground mounts, my framing nail gun stopped working on me. I'm not sure why, but I bought a rebuild kit for it, and I'm going to try to fix it today. Because I haven't done one before, so we're going to walk through it together. N88WRK. N88WWB. Looks like the 5mm Allen wrench has the least amount of play in it. It says inner head ring. Here's the inner head ring. Here's the new one. And this rebuild kit comes with some grease. This is the piston O-ring. Piston O-ring. Just trying to get the whole thing covered in this grease. There we are. I think I can go ahead. Well, I got it back together. I got some nails in it, some tool oil. Let's see if it works. Yep. Excellent. That's great. So for $25 I was able to fix it. I really wish I knew what was wrong. I got, all these O-rings that I replaced, but none of them are cracked or broken. So I don't know, it must have just been something stuck. I'm not sure, but it works. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a thumbs up and share it. All right, see ya.